Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram private so only approved followers can view your content. Now it's pretty simple. Just open up your Instagram app, and if you're using a web browser, I'll tell you at the end of the video how to do it. But yeah, for the mobile app, you just press on your profile right there on the bottom right. And then here in the top right, press these three lines. And at the bottom, press settings. Now next, you're going to press on privacy. And then account privacy. And just turn this on. So unfortunately I can't because I have a business account, but if it was personal, then I could just press this right here. So yeah guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my account is phone_battles. I'll put a link in the description. Hopefully this helped out. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions.